How to set up a member area in Squarespace. So as you can see, we have in here this login option. This pertains that we have a member area. So in order to edit that out, you can click on this content and memberships right here. And then from in there, you can see these options. It can be a course, video on demand, blog, or member site. So let's choose in here this member site and let's turn this on and you can name your member site right here. So for example, let's put in here premium members. Then click on this continue. And then after you have done that, you can choose in here the member site homepage. So for example, let's choose in here this, and that member site will be added right here. So in order to actually access it, people needs to pay you in order to get it. We have in here some pricing plans options, so you can edit those out. You can click on this pencil icon in order to change the actual price value for this club member. It can be a club member or VIP. You can see in here the paywall and you can choose in here some plan or headline that will be added for this. So that's how you set up a member area in Squarespace. Hope you help.